Hey guys, welcome back to 5 Minutes Code channel. This is your friend Shikhar and I'm back again with a new video. This video is not a tutorial video but few talks which I wanted to do with you all from a long time. So let's start. If you are doing DSA, it's really good. But if you are doing only DSA and you are from a tier 3 college, this video is for you. Okay, alright. So I hope most of you guys dream company will be Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and all those big companies where there is a lot good package and all those things. But I wanted to share some reality checks with you all. If you are doing only DSA and you are from a tier 3 college, there will be few problems which you can face. So we are going to discuss about that only. So first problem is, let's talk about 10 students who are really preparing very hard on DSA and their dream companies or all those which I just told. The issue will be कि only max 2 of the 10 students will be able to make it to these companies. Max 2 I'm saying, otherwise it will be 1 out of 10 students. I'm not saying the other 9 students they are not capable of or they have not prepared well. I'm talking about 10 students who are equally prepared and equally capable, but still only 1 of them will be able to make it. Why? There are very less opportunities in these companies, and for tier 3 college it's even lesser. Okay, so if you are one of them and if you make it, I'm not saying you will not be make it, but I just wanted to tell you all ki please make a plan B as well. A lot of bhaiya and didis would have told you ki you should crack Amazon. There is no need of plan B, but believe me, there should be a plan B, and I'm telling you this from my personal experience as well. So we will come on to that step by step. So what I wanted to tell ki if you are doing, let's suppose, 4 hours of DSA per day, and it's a bit normal nowadays, most of the students give that, I will say ki do 3 hours of DSA and give 1 hour to development. It can be anything. It can be front end, it can be back end. You can pick any technologies, tech stack, React.js, Next.js, Node.js, or Java and Django. Django is a bit not used nowadays, but anything you can pick, and you should make projects on those. Okay, so I'm not saying ki don't make clones anything, but I'm just saying ki you should be having the knowledge of all these things. Like any tech stack you can pick, front end, React.js, Next.js. It's really easy, and there is a lot of beating around the bush ki it's very tough, but I have done front end, I have done the back end as well, so I can say it's really easy to start. And for a college level student, the questions asked are not tough, but the issue is ki college students don't think even of doing development. They think ki I'm preparing for Amazon, I'm giving my 100%, I will make it. But the situation is not that. Okay, so look, it's for tier 1 students, the companies will come and they will pick you, but for tier 3, tier 2 students, many of you will not be able to make it. And if you make it, it's really good, congratulations to all, but all of them will not. So that's what I was saying ki when let's say in 4th year, in final semester we came and we are saying ki yaar, you're not able to get into Amazon, then we will think of applying to startups. Okay, many startups are there, and there are a lot of openings in those startups as well, but the issue is ki they will not going to ask DSA. Okay, they will not ask DSA, they will ask development. If they are hiring for front end, they will ask React.js, Next.js, whatever technologies they are using, Angular. And if they are doing back end, they will ask about the back end technologies. But we have not done that. We don't know anything. We only know DSA, so we will not be able to be selected. Okay, so that will be a very pain point, and I have gone through that, so I will share my personal story as well. But I'm just saying ki if let's take 1 hour every day, think about JavaScript, and you can take any project you can pick any project from YouTube and try to code it. If you are making any clone, it's also good. There is no issue in that, but you should code it by yourself. You should code it. If you are watching tutorial, it's great, but write the code by yourself, and don't download it from GitHub. Okay, it's not going to be any good if you are downloading it from GitHub. And always ask questions. If you are doing front end, if you are doing back end, you are doing development, you should ask questions. You should ask questions to yourself. Why I am doing that? Why I can't pick this? What's the use of this? And why, when, and where, how all these questions should arise, what's going in the back end of this. If we are implementing a stack, if we are using React, how DOM is updating, and why this event is having this, what parameters, why we need TypeScript. So all these things you should ask to yourself, and it will be really really easy. Okay, why? Because look, even if if let's suppose in an internship I get in on campus where I was asked only DSA. Okay, all right, I because I am very good in DSA. I'm not talking about me, but like all of the students who are good in DSA, so we are good. Okay, we make it to the internship, but when we reach to the office, DSA is done there. Still the concepts will be used, and DSA helps a lot of us in thinking of the logic, which we are good, but we don't know about Git, we don't know about GitHub. Okay, we don't know about how to even, what is npm, what is yarn, what are package managers, and how is localhost running. Okay, so all these things we will be stuck, and few months of the internship, starting few months of the internship or job will be very very rigorous for us. Okay, all right, so we have to avoid that. And let's suppose in internship we did good, very good, and we got a PPO. Okay, all right, so it's very very great, we got the PPO, and we have got a good job. But let's suppose in internship also nowadays the issue is that the conversion rate is max 60%. Okay, if we have got an internship, the conversion to PPO will be, let's suppose out of 10, 6 people will get max. Okay, 4 people will still not get. But now what the issue is that placement talks are over, college placements are done, you have to search for jobs off campus only. Okay, because fourth year is done, and now there is no PPO, so we have to search for jobs off campus. And as I told, we might not be able to make to Amazon and Microsoft, because getting there, getting shortlisted is really tough. The interviews you can crack because you are expert in DSA, but getting shortlisted for those interviews, and in, let's suppose in tier 3 colleges, it's really tough. So what we will do, we will do search for another startup, and then again the same issue will be there, because we have done only DSA. Okay, so yeah, that was it. I just wanted to share with you all key, please take out 1 hour of time and to learn some development. Start with JavaScript, make some small project, you will get to know how things work. And if you are in the last year of your college, if you are in third year of your college, make sure to do one internship. You should know how companies work, because being in college, when I was in college, I don't know how companies work, I even don't know what we are going to do. Okay, so these things you should be knowing if at any time we are going for, let's suppose, a full-time job. So we should know, we should be knowing how companies are working. Okay, so please do one internship. And if you are doing DSA and you want to know if I'm good at it or not, guys, please give contest, please give LeetCode contest. They are a reality check, they are a fact checker. Okay, they will tell you how much you know DSA. If you are able to solve 3 questions out of 4, most of the times you are really good in DSA, and you can crack the interview. So no, there is no need to give more time to DSA. If you are really good in DSA, think of going to some development things, front end, back end, you can pick any. There are plenty of opportunities in the startups if you know the logics, if you know React, if you know any of the trending tech stacks. Okay, because look, I will also tell you what's the advantage if you know DSA. If I know DSA, I know how to write the code, I know the logic, I only need to get the knowledge of the syntax of React. Okay, what code it is doing, and if I can know that, I already know the logic to write the code. Okay, so it's going to be a cakewalk, and it helped me a lot. So that's why I am saying you should be giving some time to the development. And guys, please forgive me if I am doing a bit fumble. It's my first video, and it's actually very late night. It's 2 a.m. in the night, and I'm recording this video because I was postponing it from long time, and I just thought I should record this today. Okay, all right, so please share it with your friends, and believe me, I'm saying it from my heart, please give some time to development, and please give LeetCode contest. If you are doing 1,000 questions, if you are doing 1,200 questions on LeetCode Geeks for Geeks, it is good, but you should also give some time to development, and you should also give contest, because they are going to be a fact checker. They are going to give you a reality check whether you are prepared or not. Okay, all right, so that was it for today. If you loved the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Comment it down if you want a roadmap for the front end development. I can teach you that as well. Okay, so let's not stretch this much. And if you want more videos, I will take some time and will be updating more and more. So that's it for today. I'm going to upload some Geeks for Geeks problems as well. So make sure to check it out, subscribe the channel, and bye.